So you can see in that video that I just posted, there's a lot of room to speed it up. And I made a little post on Instagram about it to get a lot of recommendations and others' input, which was absolutely awesome. So what I did to speed it up that you're about to see in a minute is I changed all my indexes. Instead of going straight back home, I come out, index, engage. Come out, index, engage. So I changed all my turret index positions to be a lot closer. That saves a lot of time, especially when you have thousands and thousands of parts to run. Another thing that I did was I got rid of the rough turn. If you see in the first video right before this, there was a rough turn that came, blasted a stock off. It went all the way home, came back, indexed to the finish, face, chamfer, turn. You don't need the rough. It's aluminum bronze material that's relatively soft, and you don't need a rough turn. The finished turn can handle it. The tolerance is like, I think, plus or minus 1 or 2, so it's not that critical at all. Got rid of the rough turn, changed the indexes. I was able to cut my cycle time essentially in half. So you're gonna see right now a video of that updated cycle and what it looks like. Thanks for watching.